What is this place?
Check this out.
You'd think they'd come up with something better, wouldn't you?
It's very glitchy for
But
me.
you know, they don't
But
expect
I wanted
us
to
to
show
linger.
you guys. Oh, wow.
How long we stay here is entirely up to you.
That I can have 6 fully functional virtual monitors. Ooh, glitchy. Space Desk 5.
What the fuck is happening to me?
Show that
Once
again.
believed when someone
Oh,
dies,
this is so
the crew
bad for
carries their
me.
soul to the land of the dead. But sometimes something so bad
Might have to find a
happens
different
that
way to
the
record
terrible
stuff.
sadness is carried with it, and the soul cannot rest.
Boom. Okay.
What are you talking about?
So that's 5
The crow will
virtual
guide you to put
monitors
the wrong things around.
on one PC.
What do you mean? Oh, fuck this. This isn't
Evolve
real.
1.
You stay the fuck away from me.
Evolve 2.
There's nothing there but here.
Evolve
It's all just a
3.
fucking nightmare.
Evolve 4.
It's
Evolve
just a
5.
fucking nightmare.
Then go wake up.
And number 6. Pink. There we go. 6 virtual monitors. All running off one computer on one Quest 2 headset. I don't know if you guys can even hear what I'm saying, but this is
Really?
pretty sweet.